If you want to know when will you get monetized after completing 1000 subscribers, then this video is for you. This is my channel and I have been working in this channel since long time. And finally I have completed 1000 subscribers on this channel. And right now I have more than 1000 subscribers. So for those kind of people who have curiosity about when will they get monetized after completing 1000 subscribers, or what happened after completing 1000 subscribers, what are the steps to get monetized after completing 1000 subscribers on their channels. So I will be talking about all those things and revealing my YouTube status, and I will show you if I have completed the process of monetization and also if I have already started earning from YouTube or not. So without wasting time, let's move into our video. Let's move into our mobile screen. So this is my YouTube channel and currently I have more than 1000 subscribers in this channel. Yes, it is very important to complete 1000 subscribers to start earning money from YouTube. So you can see I have completed 1000 subscribers already, but there is also the most important thing for getting monetized on YouTube, and that is 4000 watch time hours. So that is also as equally as important for getting monetized on YouTube. Only after completing 1000 subscribers, you won't be able to monetize your channel until and unless you have 4000 watch time hours. So this is my channel after completing 1000 subscribers. So I hope this video have changed your thought on 1000 subscribers and monetization process of YouTube. Share this video to your friends and the people who think that after completing 1000 subscribers only they will start getting money from YouTube. So this much for today. I hope you guys like the video and I hope you guys have become clear about the 1000 subscribers and monetization process. So this is it. Make sure you subscribe the channel for more videos like this.